Searching for super secrets about making money online? We've got them. Every time you read comments on a blog, news video and other online media, there are bound to be a few comments about how to make money online. However, the safest and most lucrative ways to make money online are not advertised so frequently. Keep watching to learn about legitimate ways to make money online. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. Flip domain names. Lots of folks generate income by using domain names. It's kind of like flipping real estate because it does require a bit of money to do. You can find trending keywords on Google AdSense. Create domains that are based on acronyms. This will help you to get the most amount of money. As stated above, you have probably seen many offers on ways to make money online. Most of these opportunities are actually scams. But there are tried and trusted ways to make money online, as well. Follow the tips listed above to find the work you need on the internet. Student loan.